Every single week, my clients say, I didn't know Google could do that. You don't know what you don't know about Google, but you can learn right here. This channel and our services are for small business owners who are either ready to set up a new Google Workspace or need to clean up an existing one. Hello and welcome to Clutter Care Organizing. I'm Amy Novick, a Google certified trainer, Google Workspace Administrator, and professional organizer. I empower business owners with Google solutions. As a Google certified trainer since 2013, a small business owner since 2019, and a teacher for more than 30 years, I have helped more than 350 business owners increase their efficiency. Comment below with your biggest Google challenge or frustration. I'd love to know. Stay to the end to learn how we can work together to find solutions to those challenges. With over 20 apps in Google Workspace, setting up and customizing your workspace boosts productivity while saving time, energy, and money on your business systems. And learning to effectively use the apps you already pay for avoids unnecessary spending on additional software. Sandra, a professional organizer, said, she helped transition all of my business needs from a platform not appropriate for my business to an all Google platform. Amy made the transition feel easy. Google Workspace is intended to be your business's foundation so that any additional systems integrate with it seamlessly. A poorly set up Google Workspace complicates daily tasks, while a well-configured one streamlines your workflow and your life. Donna, who owns a cleaning company, came to me with a tangled mess of email addresses. After we outlined her business's ideal workflow and cleaned up their email accounts, she said, because of Amy, our office communications and projects are organized and running smoothly on Google Workspace. Amy literally saved us. And another business owner said, hiring her from the beginning would have saved time, money, and headache. Whether you are a new business owner ready to set up Google Workspace or an established business owner needing to clean up an existing one, we offer many ways to work together, from DIY to VIP. Explore your options at cluttercare.net and schedule a clarity call to discuss what will best fit your needs. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for easy tips and tricks to streamline your work life, and share this video with other small business owners who need this information. I look forward to helping you succeed.